What started as a three-man workshop is now a worldwide company in the livestock and agricultural industry. Since its establishment in 1949, Lubing has remained at the forefront of innovation, dedicated to delivering top-notch quality and upholding its commitment to responsible practices within the livestock industry. For 75 years, we've paced the path of continuous innovation and precision. From our humble beginnings, our commitment to excellence has never wavered.
Früher haben wir in der Woche ca. 5 bis 10 Bögen geschraubt. Mittlerweile sind es in der Woche 50, 60 Bögen, die wir schrauben. Natürlich ist das Personal auch etwas größer geworden, der Personalstand. Das ist schon sehr schön für uns im Bogenbau, weil auch die Produktionszahlen jedes Jahr stetig steigen.
Over the years, our reputation has been built on trust, innovation, and a deep understanding of the livestock industry. Because we believe in quality, uncompromised, unparalleled. At Lubing, you're not just buying a product, you're becoming a part of a 75-year-old history. A history that's prepared for the generations to come. Our story is written in every piece of machinery we design and every initiative we launch. And as we celebrate our 75th year, we invite you to be a part of our journey for the next decades. And it's not just about what we make, it's also about how we make it. Our facilities comply with the highest standards. When you choose Lubing, you're buying more than just a product. You are investing in technological solutions for the agriculture of tomorrow that have been developed from decades of experience and point far into the future. And it's not just for the farmers of today, it's for the generations to come. Lubing, celebrating 75 years of excellence.